हेलो फ्रेंड्स, डिवाइन लाइट्स एसोसिएशन के स्पेशल सेगमेंट में आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत है। दोस्तों, मैं ऋतु श्रीवास्तव ये सेगमेंट आपके लिए लखनऊ से कवर कर रही हूँ। दोस्तों, हमें इस टूर पे आने का मौका मिला और आज इस टूर का एक बहुत ही स्पेशल मोमेंट है जो कि मुझे लगता है कि मैं आपके साथ साझा करूँ। दोस्तों, मुझे अपनी मौसी के यहाँ आने का सौभाग्य मिला और वहाँ पे एक हम लोग, मैं और मेरी कज़न है माही राज, हम लोगों ने प्लान बनाया कि चलो कुछ अच्छे अच्छे कोट्स लिखे जाएं ताकि वो सारे कोट्स आप तक पहुँचा दिए जाएं। ठीक, तो हम लोगों की प्लानिंग में एक चीज़ और निकल के सामने आई। उसने जब कुछ कॉपीज़ अपनी निकालनी चाही तो उसको एक डायरी मिली जिसमें कि उसकी बचपन की लिखी कुछ बहुत सारी पोएम्स थी। तो हमने कहा कि सुनाओ। अब उसने बोला कि अरे यार, ये कैसे हो सकता है दीदी, बचपन की पोएम में कोई सेंस तो नहीं होता, तो मैं इसको कैसे सुना सकती हूँ। तो हमने कहा नहीं, आप सुनाइए तो सही। लेकिन ये जो सारी पोएम्स हैं उनको सुन करके हमें ऐसा लगा कि कहीं ना कहीं मैं दूसरी दुनिया में तो नहीं आ गई हूँ। तो दोस्तों, जब मैंने ऐसा फील किया है तो मुझे लगता है कि आपको भी इस फीलिंग को पूरी तरीके से एंजॉय करने का हक है, बिल्कुल, क्योंकि आप हमारे साथ जो हैं, आप हमें सपोर्ट जो करते हैं, हमें इतना प्यार जो देते हैं। तो चलिए दोस्तों, माही राज जो मेरी कज़न सिस्टर है, मौसी की लड़की है, प्यारी सी 9th क्लास में पढ़ती हैं और उन्होंने अपनी जो चाइल्डहुड मेमोरीज शेयर मेरे साथ की हैं, वो हम चाहते हैं कि वो आपके साथ भी वो सारी मेमोरीज शेयर करें। तो आज इस सेगमेंट का पार्ट 1 हम लेकर के आए हैं आप लोगों के समक्ष। तो चलिए माही राज को ही बुलाते हैं हम और उन्हीं से सुनते हैं उनकी पोयम। सो माही, ओवर टू यू।
Hello everyone, my name is Mahi Raj. I'm cousin of Ritu Srivastava. She is my big sister and I really thank her for giving me this opportunity to share my childhood memories of my poems with you all. I was not thinking that these poems have any sense, but they are, now I came to know that they are really very, very meaningful and very senseful. So I will suggest you all to just listen it very carefully and relate your life with it. And whenever you have any type of depressed mood or any anger, anxiety like that, then you may watch this audio so that you may get refreshed and all the bad thoughts can get off your mind. So here comes my first poem, The Pride of My Nation. It starts like this. The pride of my nation, the pride of my nation, holy we will sing, enjoy. I'm happy with it prosperous life whenever we thought you in the night. Please bring me a joy in our life. Holy we will sing, enjoy, holy we will sing, enjoy. Bring us a golden chance to express our views to the symphony boys. Please bring a joy in our life also. Holy we will sing and joy, holy we will sing and joy. The pride of my nation, the pride of my nation, holy we will sing and joy, holy we will sing and joy. So this poems really refers to that we should respect our nation and whatever sadness is there, there is always a happiness behind that sadness. So we should not close our eyes and make that sadness come to our mind. We should open our eyes and see the happiness behind that sadness. So this poem tells us that only. So here comes my second poem and it starts like this. The dream of my life, the dream of my life, the dream of my life, the dream of my life. I see the dreams in the sweet night, but the dreams of my life, I'll try to make it bright. The dreams of my life, the dreams of my life. The world is full of happiness and joy. Please make me a part of that joy. Things should be clear to us. Whenever we thought you in the dream of my life, the dream of my life. So this poem refers that whenever we saw a dream, not in the night with our open eyes, we just forget it about. But we should work on it and try to take that opportunity, because we are humans and we can do multiple things at a single time. So we should not stop and make our limitations by ourselves. We should be limitless. So here comes my third poem, My Nature. And it starts like this: the fruit which tree give, we get from nature. The food which we eat, we get from nature. The furniture on which we sit, we get from nature. The leaves which our cow eat, we get from nature. The tree, food, fruits, furniture, leaves, mountain, milk, air, land, we get it from nature. So this poems basically refers to that we should thank nature for giving us this beautiful surroundings, ecosystem, biosphere, in which we can do multiple things, and to give us food, and in that food and fruit also variety of things for our choices, and many more things like furniture, leaves. So we should thank our nature, because we haven't asked nature for all this. It has given by its own only. So here comes my fourth poem, The Sun. The sun rises in the early morning, sun dries in the noon time. Sun gives us heat in the morning, sun gives us shade in the night. My son, my son, my son, we are really proud of you. My plants get heat and animals eat the plants which are present today. We and me and all are just depend on you. So now sing with us. O sun, O sun, O sun, we are really proud of you. O sun, we are really proud of you. We are really proud of you. We are really proud of you. So this refers that without sun, firstly, the plants cannot do their photosynthesis. So without plants, we cannot live, and without us, nothing can be get possible. So we should thank sun as well for giving us this much heat, so that we can sustain our life with it, throughout it. So here comes my fifth poem, that is The Water. Oh water, oh water, oh water, my water we drink you. My water, all we depend on you. You are really precious. I really respect you. The world is full of you. We can't live without you. The plant drink you. The humans drink you. They all can't live without you. My water, we drink you. So this refers again to the same sense and same way that we should appreciate water as well, because all the living animals, living beings like plants, animals, and humans, they all are dependent on each and everything in which water also comes. So it is a very important thing of our life and every living being's life. So we should thank water also. So here comes my next poem, that is Plants. The green plants, you are here, it's so cool. The green plants, you are here, it's so cool. The carbon dioxide which we make, you just erase it. The pollution which we make, you just erase it. You gave us life, you gave us nice air to breathe. We are really, really thankful. The world is full of hope with you. The green plants, you are here, it's so cool. So this poem is basically referring to the thankfulness of plants, that we make so much of pollution and all the carbon dioxide which hurt us only, but I don't know why we don't understand. But in this thing, plants help us a lot for making this polluted, dirty air a nice, fresh, and full of oxygen air to breathe, so that we can breathe and we can live. So, in this nature, plant is also a very, very utmost important thing. So, we should thank plants also. Next poem is of the teachers. The teacher, the teacher, the teacher have more respect than other human. The teacher gave us knowledge, the teacher gave us strength. The child learned from the teacher. The teacher work hard for the upcoming generation. The teacher pay his brain for our future. She is a good human for the world. She is a really good human for the world. The teacher, the teacher, the teacher. So this poem is referring to the teacher. What we do is we usually do our work and we just do and give our exams and that's off. But we don't think that the teachers do so much hard work for us, and she gives her brain, a part of her brain and her knowledge to us so that we can have greater knowledge. So we should thank teachers also to make us educate and make us to sustain our life in such an educated way. So we should thank her also. Next is the owner of everything, our precious God. So here comes my last poem. It starts like this. God, you are here. God, you are owner of the things, living and non-living things. We want you to know what you have made. We want you to know what you have made. The mountain, the sun, the nature, the earth, the biosphere of the earth, the solar system. You have made the only precious planet, the earth, in which we can live. God, you are great, and you are made in such a happy, happy sight. You are made in such a happy, happy sight. The world which you have made, the world which you have made. So this refers to all the poems which I have just spoke right now, that God is the owner, the boss, and the big master of everything. No matter it's non-living thing or living thing, he had made everything, each and everything so much categorized way, in an organized way, so that we don't have any problems or issue to live our life. He has given us life, such a beautiful life to live, and we can do so many limitless things in it. So we should have that much confidence and we should be motivated to do everything, and God will always there to help us. So these were some poems for which I can help you to get motivated, and I would play a really important role in your life. So whenever you are depressed, angry, or anxious, just listen to this audio and just stay calm and just think that behind this sadness or behind this depression, there is always a really big happiness, which is much more valuable than this depression or this sadness. So I'm signing off. This is Mahi Raj, and I wish you a very happy life with all the joys and happiness of your life. So stay home, stay safe, and be happy. Thank you.